Today I want to show you how to use cruise control for 2019 GMC vehicles.
All right.
Hey everyone, I'm Deidre from the all-new Jodan Buick GMC in Moosic, Pennsylvania. This button is to turn the cruise control on and off. Once you've reached your desired speed, this button is to set the cruise control. This button is to pause cruise control. And this button is to resume cruise control once you've either hit the brakes or hit the pause button. This button is also used to accelerate at 1 mile per hour increments. This button is also used to decelerate at 1 mile per hour increments. There's also an adaptive cruise control button right here, which will be discussed at a later video. Thanks so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Jodan Buick GMC and stop by the dealership.